You would have seen the latest news about how the new BJP government in Bengal has asked to remove eggs from midday meal and how they are planning to replace it with soya, rajma, and paneer. And by now, you would have also seen many videos where they are telling you about how egg is far superior source of protein and how it is also way better in terms of digestion. All of that's true, but we are still missing a very important point. As someone who has studied public health nutrition during my master's, planning midday meal was actually a part of our practicals, and we had to consider some very important points when we were to plan those meals. Firstly, of course, being nutrition. Did it meet certain amount of calories and protein for the given budget? So talking about eggs, that is the most nutrient dense food one can get under 10 rupees. The second being whether the food plant is familiar and local to that state, because familiarity directly affects the acceptability. Eggs are very familiar to that state, and whereas rajma and soya chunks are not their staple foods. Third being ease of preparation. When it comes to boiling eggs, it is very quick. But when it comes to rajma or soya chunks, it requires more preparation. And the fourth being taste. Will kids actually enjoy eating that? Kids really love eggs, but when it comes to soya chunks, it is not so. Even many adults don't like it because of the beanie taste. So how can we expect kids to enjoy eating that? And these were the exact points we had to keep in mind when we used to plan those meals. It's to ensure that the meals are cost effective, that they are familiar, and most importantly, whether they are ticking the box for nutrition within the given budget. So why is government not taking these things into consideration when planning the meals? Because at the end of the day, when it comes to midday meals, उसका main purpose ही यही है that बच्चे को at least एक proper meal मिले during the entire day to reduce the child malnutrition and to improve the education by increasing the attendance. So kids and their nutrition needs to be the priority. Governments can change, but the criteria for planning midday meals should not.